Want to know how to set up your personal profile in Kimi on your phone? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, what you need to do is you can just simply open up kimi.com on your browser or just simply download it on your phone. So this is specifically for phone only. So once you have done that, here on the top left side, you should be seeing this three hamburger icon right here, and make sure you are logged in as well. So for this to work, we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you have selected this hamburger icon here, you should be seeing your profile right here with your avatar on top. Now once you have selected that, here on top you should be seeing something on as personal profile, so you can just simply select that. So now once you have selected personal profile, you can just simply set it up by changing your name, and you can also add your bio right here. And once you're done, just simply select save and your personal profile has been set up. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.